You want to talk about a hilariously good start to a season and to a brand? Well, it's right there. And that is the Triumph MX2 team double podium in their first race, the Spanish motocross championship, so Spanish Grand Prix, whatever you want to call it. And for two guys to finish second and third, it's almost as good as you can possibly get. Obviously, first and second would be better. But if you're going second and third in your first race as a well, not organization, but as a team, as a new bike with new riders, new mechanics, and everybody's probably still trying to figure out how everything's going to work as a team. It's great for them. I mean, what more could you really ask? Obviously, first and second, but for two guys to jump on a different bike, have who knows how long they've been on it, probably 2 or 3 months, maybe something, who knows, and then double podium. I mean, that's awesome. Who knows how well this season's gonna go? I mean, maybe they do this and they're constructor champion, and maybe one of those two wins the championship by themselves, or maybe this is a fluke and it's a one-time deal and they now sputter. But it's cool to see. I mean, obviously, being a Monster sponsored Akrapovic exhaust, like it's not KYB forks. Like, it's not some cheap no money team or no like cheap parts or anything. Like, they've got the sponsors and they've got the money behind it and just the company to compete. And it shows that they've put in the work. Obviously, the reveal of this bike was not exactly the most smooth thing in the world, or how you ever want to say it, the best handled thing. It was kind of here, there, here's a bike, whatever. We don't have any sponsors in the US yet, but we can't race the 450s. But at least on the MX2 side in Europe, they're doing well. And like most things, obviously, it's monster sponsorship for almost every team. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, are you excited for this? Did you watch the MX2 race? Are you going to watch the next race in France in 2 weeks? I think it is. Are you excited? Are you fans of either of these two riders? Whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.